We'll guide you through how to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, as you probably found in your Chrome, by default the tabs are going to go and be at the top here. And you want them to go and be on the side. You need to go to the top right of Chrome. There you want to press the three dots, go down and press Settings. Now you want to come to the address bar at the top. It goes and says Chrome://settings. You just want to go and remove the settings part and type in flags. Then you want to go and press enter. Now, we can go and press search flags at the top, you want to go and type in vertical. And as you can see, vertical tabs. You want to go and click on default to the right and you want to go and select enabled. Now, what you need to do is go and press relaunch in the bottom right of Chrome. Chrome will restart, come to the top of Chrome where you've got the tabs. What you can do is right click on a tab, or you can right click in some blank space and you're going to go and see the option for show tabs vertically. So what you can do is you can go and click there and you're going to go and see they then move over to the left. So essentially you've got a bit more space at the top. Now you can go and see your different tabs here, but what you can also do is you can go and collapse them so it's even smaller.